We're really excited about this class, which is a mobile coffee cart class. This class is a one-day class, and in one day, you're going to learn everything you need to understand about the business of opening up a mobile cart. So, what are some of the questions that you all have about opening a mobile cart business? Well, one big question is, how do I design the cart? And should I buy the cart or build it myself? We're going to go over all of that. You can either design it and build it yourself, or you can design it and have someone else build it for you. And we're going to go over the intricacies of both options, as well as the cost of both options. Again, a lot of you folks will want to get into the coffee business, but maybe you don't have a lot of capital to begin with. So this is a low-cost option to get into the business with a mobile cart. Additionally, in that one-day class, we are going to cover all the questions you have about permits and ordinances and regulations. There's a lot of questions that anyone who wants to open up a cart is going to have in that area, but we're going to go through that. We're going to use Hoboken as an example, but you're going to understand all the different regulations that you need to get your cart inspected, for example, and also all the permits and the options that are out there so that you can take the cart and locate it where you want to locate it. For some of you guys, that might just be locating it in the same spot every day, maybe by a pier. Maybe some people want to locate it in the same spot by a college or a hospital. Other people may want to take the cart and locate it in different places and move it around. Depends on your concept, your target audience. And lastly, some people may want to use the cart in their catering business. So we're going to go over all of that. We're even going to go over how to build a cart and tear it down so that you could actually put it in an SUV, because there are options for collapsible carts as well. And of course, we're going to give you all the business aspects that you need to really understand in that one day so you can open a cart business. We're going to teach you about coffee, site selection, things to consider, as well as the cost that goes into either building or buying a cart, talk about the equipment, and of course, talk about how to profitably manage your cart business so that when you leave here, you'll have the confidence that you can run with a successful cart business.